The Nothing Phone 3a Pro steps into the spotlight, promising to blend the brand's signature quirky design with upgraded specs. But does it justify the Pro tag, or is it just a slightly souped-up version of the 3a? We're breaking down its design, performance, camera upgrades, and battery life to see if it's worth the extra cash. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Alright, let's jump right in and explore the Nothing Phone 3a Pro together. The Nothing Phone 3a Pro keeps the iconic transparent back and glyph lighting, but refines the formula with a sleeker matte polycarbonate plastic frame and a slimmer 8.4mm profile, weighing 211 grams, making it feel more premium without sacrificing grip. The glyph interface now supports more animations and app integrations, letting you customize notifications for calls, messages, and even Uber rides. Available in black and gray, it retains the IP64 dust and splash resistant rating. Still not flagship level waterproofing, but enough for everyday spills. The back glass steel fingerprint magnet. If you love the Nothing aesthetic but wanted a more polished feel, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro delivers. Moving to the display, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro retains its stunning 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, but takes brightness to new heights, peaking at an eye-searing 3000 nits, securing its place among the brightest displays in its class. Scrolling feels effortlessly fluid, while colors leap off the screen with vibrant, true-to-life HDR10+ support. Topped off with symmetrical bezels and a sleek, minimalist design, it delivers a near-flagship aesthetic that rivals premium competitors. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3a Pro ditches the MediaTek processor for the more powerful Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, paired with 12GB RAM plus 2GB virtual RAM and 256GB storage. This chip isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformative leap forward, easily handling even the most demanding apps and games without breaking a sweat. Multitasking feels effortless, and Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, maintains its bloat-free approach while delivering smoother animations. The improved thermal management really shines during extended use, significantly reducing throttling for sustained performance. This isn't just a minor spec bump, it's the true pro experience users have been waiting for. When it comes to cameras, the Phone 3a Pro takes a significant leap forward. It now features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 main sensor with optical image stabilization, accompanied by a 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. Daylight photography sees noticeable improvements, shots are crisper with enhanced dynamic range and more lifelike colors. The telephoto lens now supports up to 6x lossless zoom and an impressive 60x digital zoom, while also doubling as a capable macro lens thanks to its built-in OIS. Low-light performance gets a major upgrade with Night Mode 2.0, which cuts down on noise while preserving finer details. The signature glyph lights now serve a dual purpose, acting as a subtle fill flash for more balanced portrait shots. For videographers, the phone delivers smooth 4K recording at 30 frames per second with enhanced stabilization. Selfie lovers aren't left out either. The 50-megapixel front camera introduces a smart AI skin smoothing option, ensuring natural-looking results without that artificial, over-processed look. The Nothing Phone 3a Pro sets a new standard for battery performance, with its robust 5000 mAh cell, consistently delivering a day and a half of uninterrupted use, even with moderate to heavy usage patterns that include social media, messaging, and video streaming. What truly impresses is the blazing fast 50-watt wired charging that can completely replenish the battery from zero in just 56 minutes, a lifesaver for rushed mornings when you've forgotten to plug in overnight. While the absence of a wireless charging might disappoint some, this compromise helps maintain the phone's aggressive price positioning without significantly impacting its overall value proposition. The thoughtful balance between generous battery capacity and rapid charging technology means users enjoy extended usage times while minimizing downtime, making the Phone 3a Pro an ideal companion for professionals, students, and anyone who demands reliable, all-day performance without constant battery anxiety. This winning combination of endurance and quick power top-ups elevates the device above many competitors in its price segment. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro isn't just another smartphone. It's a bold declaration of style in a sea of look-alike devices, making it absolutely worth your money if you crave personality in your tech. This head turner combines its signature, transparent back, and interactive glyph lighting with genuinely premium features. A buttery smooth, 120Hz AMOLED display, unexpectedly competent cameras, highlighted by that versatile 50-megapixel telephoto with lossless zoom, all-day endurance with 50-watt rapid charging, and the refreshingly clean Nothing OS experience free from bloatware. Priced at 1,799 dirhams in Dubai's competitive market, it delivers exceptional value where it matters most. While you might technically find better specs elsewhere, at this price point, no competitor matches its unique blend of distinctive design, software refinement, and pure enjoyment factor. For those who view their smartphone as an extension of their personal style rather than just a tool, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro stands in a class of its own. It's the most charismatic mid-range phone available today. And in a world of mundane devices, that distinction carries tremendous weight. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!